The change to our shopping habits in recent years has transformed the way that modern businesses operate. We've all come to not only trust online shopping, but rely on it for its convenience. But for any e-commerce business selling to an end consumer or company and looking to get an edge, automation is the key. A lot of critical information is at stake, and to manage this properly requires a fully integrated solution that connects both the shopping platform and distribution. Acumatica's technology means that online orders can be driven straight into ERP for rapid processing. This sort of advanced approach translates into improved delivery performance. We can remove the human element, save time and improve accuracy. But more importantly, leave the customer not just happier, but wanting to return for more. If you like, you can switch your online platform. Acumatica lets you grow in whatever direction you want. Acumatica Cloud ERP. Now you get to choose.